Hello and welcome to Crochet Smush. I was making a flower like this one. Then I made it in another color and stitched to my heart as an applique. Looks nice. So let us begin making one. So to begin, we are going to take this brown color yarn and going to make a magic circle. Then in the magic circle, I am going to make a chain 2, 1 and 2. Then I am going to make 11 half double crochet. Half double crochet is yarn over hook one time, then insert the hook into the magic circle, bring the yarn up, then yarn over hook, go through all the 3 loops on the hook. So make 11 half double crochets. So including the initial chain 2, you will have 12 half double crochets. So go and finish the 12 half double crochets. Now I finished 12 half double crochets. Now I am going to tighten the magic circle and I am going to join with a slip stitch to the initial chain 2. Now that is completed, we can cut the yarn off and we are going to use a different color for the next round. Here I am going to attach the green yarn in the next round. So I insert my hook in one of the stitches, then I bring up a loop, then chain 2, then yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Then we do that again, yarn over hook, insert the hook in the stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through 2 loops on the hook. We have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over hook, insert the hook again, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through 2 loops on the hook, the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on the hook remaining. Now we do one more time, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 loops on the hook. Now we are going to yarn over the hook and go through all the 5 loops on the hook. Then we make chain 3, then insert the hook in the same stitch and slip stitch to the next one. We are going to make another petal in the 3rd stitch. Now slip stitch there. Now make chain 2, then yarn over hook and like before, do that till we have 5 loops on the hook remaining. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook, go through the 5 loops, then 1 2 3 chains and slip stitch. Now slip stitch to the next one and we are going to slip stitch to the next stitch and we are going to make a petal in that stitch. So when you finish all this, it will have 6 petals. Finish the 6 petals and we will meet again. Now I am done with all the 6 petals and I cut off the yarn. This is the initial one. I have to bring it down. Okay. Now we can see that in these ones are the ones we have the petals attached. The next one, if you look behind, you can see this one. In here, the next one, we can attach the second color. I'm going to go with the dusty rose. We are working behind the petals. Chain 3, and go to the next slip stitch, the first one between these two petals, and make a slip stitch. Now you can see that you are making a loop behind this petal. See that? So make loops behind all these petals. Chain 3, go to the next one behind the slip stitch, so we have 2 loops. Then repeat that one till we get the 6 loops. We are on the 6th loop, and we are going to attach this to the first loop with a slip stitch. From behind you can see it's like this. Now I'm going to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and make a treble crochet into the loop. Treble crochet is yarn over hook 2 times and yarn over hook, no, one more time. Treble is yarn over hook 2 times, then insert the hook in the loop, bring up the yarn, bring up yarn over hook one more time, bring through 2 loops, then yarn over hook, bring through the 2 loops on the hook again, yarn over hook, and bring through the 2 loops on the third time. Now we have chain 4 and 2 trebles. Now I am going to make this second treble as a post and going to make 3 double crochets. So yarn over hook, insert the hook, taking this treble as a post, insert the hook here and bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops, then yarn over hook and go through the next 2 loops. That we need to make 5 times. 2 3 4 and 5. So we have a bigger petal in the second layer. Now we slip stitch to the same loop, then we slip stitch the next loop and make chain 4, 3 4 and 2 trebles, and taking this treble as a post, we are going to make a 5 double crochet. And then we slip stitch, and when we move to the next loop, and we repeat, make 4 more petals and we will meet again. Now we finish all the 6 petals and slip stitch here. So I am going to slip stitch to the next loop as well. Now it is ready to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. You have to weave in all the ends into the back. And this is nice. You can add a bead to the center or a button to the center, or just make another disc with a 12 half double crochet and stitch to the top. That's what I did for this one. Here I made another round disc, same like the middle of this circle, this flower. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this one on top of here. So just use the yarn needle, thread that one, make sure this is tightened. You don't need to cut it out, the beginning magic circle, the tail of that, you can just leave it underneath. And then just go a little up and down. Just stitch it down, going up and down. To give that a neat center. You can hide the yarn tail behind the flower. I think these are the details a beginner wanted to know, like how to do all these things. Go there a few times, just cut that yarn. You can do all these yarn tails just like that. Okay. And there was some green left over, so you got the idea. I take the yarn needle and thread it through, and then go to the other side and bring it to the back, just all the way to the back. Then now you can try to hide it between the stitches in the back of your work, just like that, and cut the yarn. The end is hidden like that. So just this one also, just do like that, hide it underneath, and the flower is ready. I think yellow is brighter, it is like a sunflower inspired, and this one on my hat is not bad either. I like to wear this hat everywhere. Okay, so if you like this pattern, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so my little channel can also grow with your help. I really appreciate you are helping me growing my channel. Thank you. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.